The Bagger 288 is one of the biggest machines ever built. It can move 240,000 cubic meters of dirt in a single day. That's the same as digging up 100 Olympic swimming pools of earth every 24 hours. A water jet cutter can slice through solid stone using only water under pressure. No fire, no blades, just water strong enough to cut metal. In a factory, a robotic line makes 10,000 ice cream bars every hour, and each one looks exactly the same. These are not stories. These are real machines working right now. They crush, lift, melt, bend, and build everything around us. From the roads you drive onto the food you eat, they make modern life possible. Some work deep underground, while others touch the clouds. They move like giants, but with the precision of a human hand. Without them, our world would simply stop moving. So today, we'll see 10 mind-blowing machines that prove power and precision can exist together. Machines that build cities, shape nature, and change how humans live. Stay till the end, because once you see how these machines work, you'll never look at the modern world the same way again. We live in a time where machines don't just help humans, they do what once seemed impossible. From small factory robots to huge construction beasts, machines now work faster, stronger, and smarter than people ever could. Everything you use, from a hanger to a spoon, was made by a machine built for that exact job. A wire-bending robot twists metal into hundreds of perfect hangers each minute. A hydraulic press shapes spoons with tons of force and no errors. These machines run day and night, never tired, never wrong. The simpler the product, the smarter the machine behind it. And today, you'll see the everyday machines that quietly build the modern world. Pick up a wire hanger from your closet. It looks simple, but it's made by a giant machine that bends, twists, and cuts steel wire in under 2 seconds. That's modern manufacturing. Small products, huge machines. Each hanger is shaped by automated tools with air-powered arms and sensors. These machines make 200 to 300 hangers per minute, every one identical. By hand, one hanger would take minutes to make. The same goes for spoons. Flat steel blanks go into a hydraulic press that hits with tons of force. In one strike, the spoon's bowl and handle take shape, perfect every time. Millions are made this way, day and night. No breaks, no mistakes. Every simple item hides complex engineering. The easier it looks, the smarter the machine behind it. Mass production is precision at extreme speed. And next, you'll see machines that use this power to crush instead of create. A motorcycle goes in. 10 seconds later, it's shredded into pieces. That's the power of industrial crushers and shredders, machines built to destroy metal fast and clean. Their job? Turn junk into raw material, ready for recycling. No noise of struggle, no delay, just rotating blades and hydraulic jaws ripping metal apart. A full car becomes a flat slab in under a minute. Metal shredders use huge gears to bite through steel, aluminum, and wires. They never jam, never stop. Car crushers use hundreds of tons of pressure to flatten vehicles into compact cubes. One car becomes a block small enough to lift by crane. Even aluminum can crushers do the same on a smaller scale. Thousands of cans every hour. They crush, compress, and recycle with perfect timing. The purpose isn't destruction, it's recycling efficiency. Every bike, every car, every can becomes new metal ready for factories. It's not chaos, it's control. This is industrial destruction perfected, fast, clean, and smart. And while cities crush steel for reuse, farms are using another kind of machine. One that doesn't destroy, but harvests life with surgical precision. Farming today is all about machines, not hard labor. These smart machines pick crops, clean fields, and save time. A carrot harvester can find ripe carrots, pull them out gently, and sort them by size, all at once. It does this in hours, not days. No damage, no waste. A rice thresher removes grains from stalks in minutes. What farmers once did by hand for days now happens faster and cleaner. Stone pickers roll through fields, removing rocks and dirt so the soil is ready to plant again. Chain trenchers dig deep lines using laser guidance for perfect irrigation and drainage. One farmer can now do what dozens did before, using one smart machine. These machines make farming faster, safer, and more accurate. They work like factories in the field. But the next machines don't grow food. They clean, strip, and separate materials in ways humans never could. Modern cleaning uses machines, not brooms. Big vacuum trucks clean city streets in minutes. They use spinning brushes and strong suction to collect dust and trash. One truck can clean miles of road in a single shift. No workers needed, no delay. Soil separators shake dirt to remove rocks and stones. Clean soil goes one way, rocks go the other. They keep construction sites ready and safe. In forests, log debarking machines peel bark off trees fast. The log spins, the blades cut, and smooth wood comes out. What took hours now takes seconds. These machines save time, energy, and money. They do hard jobs people can't handle alone. They clean, sort, and prepare at huge scales. They keep cities and work sites moving every day. But this is just the start. Next come the machines that cut, shape, and build the world's strongest materials. How do you cut stone without breaking it? How do you slice through thick concrete like paper? How do you join metal parts so tight they'll never come apart? The answer is water jet cutters, diamond wire saws, and hydraulic presses. They use force and precision together. A water jet cutter uses water at 60,000 psi mixed with tiny sand. It cuts granite, steel, and titanium with perfect edges. No heat, no cracks, just clean cuts. Even artists use it to make detailed stone designs. A diamond wire saw uses a loop of wire with industrial diamonds. It slices through concrete and rock quietly and smoothly. No jackhammer noise, no rough edges. A hydraulic press joins metal parts by heating and forcing them together. Once cooled, the bond is stronger than welding. Every push delivers tons of pressure in 1 second. Modern CNC plasma machines also cut steel plates and drill holes at once. They work fast and never miss a millimeter. What used to take hours by hand now takes minutes by machine. These machines don't use brute strength, they use control. They cut, shape, and build with microscopic precision. The power didn't disappear, it just got smarter. But precision doesn't stop with steel, because the same technology that shapes metal now shapes your food. How does a factory make 10,000 ice cream bars in 1 hour? How does every dough ball line up perfectly on a tray? How do mooncakes get such beautiful shapes so fast? The answer is robots, conveyors, and precision molds. They turn food making into a perfect, non-stop system. Watching these machines is satisfying. Every move is smooth, fast, and timed to perfection. Ice cream bars pass under chocolate curtains and come out coated evenly. Robotic arms add sticks at the exact right second. Each bar looks and tastes exactly the same. Bakeries use dough machines that roll and space each piece perfectly. No hands touch the dough. Sensors and cameras check every ball for size and shape. Even the mooncake machines press detailed patterns into each piece. They make dozens per minute, all perfect, all ready to bake. The result? Food that looks handmade, but made faster than ever. Machines don't remove art. They make it available to everyone. They make luxury-level quality easy to share. No mistakes, no slow steps, just precision and speed. The world eats because machines never stop. And if these machines feed millions, wait until you see the ones that move mountains. Imagine a machine as tall as a 30-story building, as long as 2 football fields, weighing 13,500 tons. It can move 240,000 cubic meters of earth in one day. That's more than 50,000 workers could do by hand. This is the Bagger 288, the world's largest land vehicle. It's not just a machine, it's a moving city of steel. It crawls across mines on huge tracks, eating mountains of dirt, and only 5 people control it. The front wheel has giant buckets that scoop up soil non-stop. Conveyor belts inside the body carry the dirt away. Every turn of the wheel reshapes the ground beneath it. It's so big, you could park a Boeing 747 inside its frame. Its twin, the Bagger 293, is even heavier at 14,200 tons. Yet both need just a small crew to run. These machines don't replace workers. They do the impossible. No team of humans could move this much earth this fast. They let us build power plants, dig mines, and shape land on a new scale. The biggest machine on Earth proves one truth: machines extend human power. But what if a machine could also lift like a crane and drive like a truck? The next one does exactly that. Moving a 40-foot shipping container once needed a huge crane and a full crew. Now one truck with built-in hydraulic arms can lift it in minutes. This is called a side lifter, a machine that's changing how the world moves goods. One driver, one button, 20 tons lifted like it's nothing. The truck stops beside the container. The arms swing out, connect, and lift it straight off the trailer. No forklifts, no yard cranes, no waiting. The entire operation happens in one spot, by one person. Side lifters use powerful hydraulics that can handle 20-ton loads safely. A single unit can drop or pick up containers anywhere, even on dirt roads. This saves time, fuel, and money on every trip. Big logistics companies use them to speed up global shipping. But that's not all. Mobile cranes now lift entire building parts hundreds of feet in the air. And tunnel boring machines dig miles underground, cutting through rock while installing tunnel walls as they move. Machines that once needed teams to control now need only a few trained operators. They are stronger, faster, and smarter, designed to make work easier everywhere. The new rule of logistics is simple. Bring the machine to the job, not the job to the machine. From city ports to desert highways, these machines move the impossible. And what comes next proves just how far we've come, because the final machine doesn't just work hard, it works on a scale beyond imagination. We started with a wire hanger and ended with a machine that moves mountains. But this story isn't just about machines. It's about what they mean for us. Every gear, bolt, and wire tells the same truth. Machines don't replace people. They extend our power. A hanger machine doesn't remove jobs. It removes boring work. A water jet cutter helps artists shape things no hand tool ever could. The Bagger 288 doesn't steal work. It makes energy for whole cities. Machines build, move, and clean the world around us. They feed billions and recycle what we waste. They carve steel, harvest food, and shape our homes. They do the heavy lifting so humans can think, create, and design better. We don't live under machines. We live through them. Because every one of them started with a simple human question: how can we do this better? And the answer was always the same: build a machine. So next time you hold a spoon, drive on a clean road, or eat perfect ice cream, remember, a machine made that possible. This is humanity's masterpiece, and it's only the beginning. From bending wire to moving mountains, machines show how far humans have come. We once made tools from stone. Now we build 13,500-ton excavators that reshape land. This isn't science fiction, it's real, and it's happening right now. Machines aren't replacing us, they're extending us. They turn hard labor into smart work, giving people time to create and improve. A wire machine makes 200 hangers a minute. A carrot harvester picks crops without harm. A water jet cutter turns stone into art. A side lifter moves 20-ton containers with one button. And the Bagger 288 powers whole cities. These machines don't just work, they build civilization. From small to massive, from simple to complex, everyone proves the same thing: human ingenuity has no limits. The next question is, what will we build next? From the hangar in your closet to the roads you drive on, machines built the modern world. Not through control, but through precision and power. This is engineering at its finest, working at a whole new level. If this changed how you see everyday things, the spoon, the road, the ice cream bar, then you've gained awareness of the machines shaping life today. Machines aren't replacing us, they're empowering us. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and comment which machine amazed you most.